Hey, are you ready to come check out Akron? I am. So this is a 3-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom on a great street. I'm so excited to take you through because this is gonna be my first time checking it out as well. Let's go. I know you're asking yourself, do you wanna come in through the front? Wait, no, you wanted the side door, right? Okay. Oh, that's right, you have muddy shoes. Come on in through the mudroom. Now that we got that established, I'm getting you in here. Check out this fabulous kitchen. Don't you love the butcher block and the backsplash? That's one of my favorite touches when it comes to home renovations. Let's go check out the rest. So if you're looking for a very turnkey home in Akron, you're close to so many things in the area, reach out to us today and we'll give you a tour.